Hello, David Bradley here. Welcome to the box room. I have a couple of things that should not take long to do today. Firstly, I have, another Commodore 64 power supply to test. There it is. So, and how will I test it? Well, for those of you that have been here before, you know that I have a fancy-dancy device that was made by Rudy of Rudy's Retro Intel. And it will tell me what's happening if I don't drop it first on the 5-volt side of the power supply. And if it is too high, it gets cut. So we line it up, we put it in, and it's reading 5.10, which seems well within acceptable parameters. So I know it's just been plugged in for a moment. Okay, I'll turn on this monitor, and I'll reach up here. I'll let the monitor get itself together. The monitor is on. Now, if there's something wrong on the 9-volt side, it will immediately make a buzzing, horrible noise, and I'll turn it right off, and that'll be the end of that. Okay, I don't hear anything bad. Shaboom. The power supply does seem to be okay. We'll leave that on there for a second. The other thing I'll do while I'm here is I have noticed that this fine hat that I got at a thrift store is starting to grow some probably cat fur of all things. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? And it's not easy with a hat to get everything off, and undoubtedly these things are great, but they do lose their stickiness with every little bit of anything that they collect. They do. Alright, and now I'll pop up the top a little bit, even though it's not meant to be popped up. And get a little more. There is another thing I have around here. It's kind of a more permanent brushy thing that sometimes does a better job. But, you know. Anyway, I think that is some better. It is. And then the last thing that I have here at this moment that I just found, I was going through a bunch of buttons, is indeed a vintage I adore my 64 button, which is not well lit there. Hang on. Well, but it's close. I adore my 64. Isn't it lovely? It is actually. It's showing its signs of age. It is. It's not the cleanness. It's not the... I might actually take and wipe it off a bit. The white isn't so white. But, you know, it's not bad. And I'm wondering, I have one. I have one on my Santa hat. I'm not sure if I will put this one on or not. Actually, I might. No, what I might do at this moment, because it's getting to the season, I might actually take these off here. Oh, look here. There's a T-plug button. And it is almost time for the World of Commodore. It is. So I may do a different hat for the World of Commodore. I have not yet decided. I think I will take these off for the moment. And I'm not sure if I need to kind of clean this. I will see about that. It's not the shiny, beautiful white that I would like. And with something like this, I think if I was going to clean it, I would just do it in the sink and then rinse it and hang it to dry, I think. Anyway, I will see. I will see about this. Anyway, so I think what I will do at this moment, because I can, I think I can, I will, yes, I will turn this off. I will take the power supply out. I will check it again, see if it's dramatically changed. Oh, it is 5.10, which is within acceptable parameters. And I will put this test cartridge into the 64. I'm not going to do the whole harness thing at this moment. And I'll put the power supply back in. Why is this not cooperating? It's always best if you can see what you're trying to do here. Why is this not going in? I've never had such trouble. Alright, what have I done? Is there a pin missing? Nope. Oh, okay. We're in. So I think I will turn this cartridge on. Oh, it is not coming up. Alright, let's try this. Okay. The 64 is coming. I've recently had this cartridge in here. There we go. So that will run through things, and that will test things. And I will turn this off, and I will turn other things off, and I will see what I've got stuff to get rid of here. I'll see what I'm going to do with this, and that's what I'll have to say about that. So I was trying to keep that down, but it doesn't want to stay down. Anyway, what was that? That was easy. So thanks so much for being here. Thanks so much for coming. See you at the World of Commodore, December 2nd and 3rd, 2023, at the Admiral INN in Mississauga, Ontario. Look online for details. It will be an epic event. Bye for now.